So now let us check some advanced methods which will help us grow our channel. These are simple to implement but useful methods like commenting as well as using YouTube cards and ensuring to have a branding watermark, which will make sure that not only our channel keeps on growing, as well as while it is growing, the most common issue of something like people copying our content is not happening. So let us see some live examples about it and ways to implement it in our channel as well. So here I'd like to share some examples as to how people are utilizing their channel. If you would check any specific video which is being promoted by a brand or a company, generally at the end of the video, you will be seeing links for other videos of that same brand or company. Also, few of the brands or companies who are showing their video, at the end of it, they would be telling you to take some action in the form of visiting their website, or also they would be telling you to subscribe to their channel or share their video with others or even like their video. The reason why companies are doing it, so as they can grow their channel and grow relationships. Also, in many of the videos, you will find that they will be telling you to use the comment section to ask them anything else. With the help of comments, there would be more interaction possible because in YouTube and even all other online products of Google, engagement with the user is taken into consideration as a major pointer for understanding that how good or bad a content is created and how well people like it or they dislike it. Thus, if you check out many channels which are sharing latest updates and many channels which are sharing important information, like here is a channel sharing latest updates, there you'll see that there are so many comments which are being entered by people, and many of them are highly fresh or they are entered on a very regular basis. So this interaction indeed helps this kind of channel which is there about news to grow a lot in terms of their subscribers, as well as grow a lot in terms of the views they get, the likes they get, and finally the total number of people coming onto the channel. So make sure commenting is something which is on, and not just on. The major element would be that if someone is commenting regarding your channel or someone is asking you a question, you make sure to answer the same. So here there is a channel of someone who creates a lot of recipes, and here she shares the recipes with her subscribers, a very famous YouTuber who has over 1 million subscribers indeed. And when she shares any video, there are people commenting. So she is going ahead and continuously reverting to those people as to whatever they are asking her. If there is anything what they need help with, she is trying to even help them with the same. So this is a method, a very important method to go ahead and interact with the people, because the more you interact, the more will be their chances to build relationship. And businesses and customers like building relationships. It is not about just doing an activity one time and leaving it off. So make sure you implement this mechanism of going ahead and commenting. You can even do it in another way by yourself using the comment box and asking people that how did they like the video, questioning to them what would be the next video they would like to see. This kind of interaction can also help you a lot in growing your channel. With that being said, we'll end this tutorial. We'll see more details in the next video. Thank you.